morning. This is Anushka Wani, digital editor at EM and A&D magazine, and welcome back to the Morning Bytes. This podcast is presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Rule Mobility. This week's headlines focus on the business and industrial updates from India and across the globe so that you kickstart your week. In today's episode, we will talk about the 16th edition of the Enigma Manufacturing and Technology Show, AIPMA kickstarting its 12th edition of the Plastic Vision India 2023, and Adani Green Energy ranking among the top 3 global solar PV. Before we start, we are pleased to present Dr. Anil Lamba, Chartered Accountant, Financial Literacy Activist, author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
When managements of corporations announce we are a debt-free company, I have never understood whether they are boasting or apologizing.
The showcase of technology and innovation in engineering, machinery, machine tools, and manufacturing and automation has started in Gujarat at the Helipad Exhibition Centre, Gandhinagar. The 16th edition, officially recognized as a pre-vibrant Gujarat event, is spread over 72,000 square meters gross exhibition area in 12 centrally air-conditioned halls and featuring over 10,000 plus latest products on display from about 1,200 participating companies, including 200 plus innovators participating in vibrant Gujarat Startup Conclave and Exhibition. Apart from the participation of national industry leaders and a large number of MSMEs, participation is expected from USA, Germany, Japan, Turkey, Taiwan, China, Korea, Singapore, Thailand, UAE, Sri Lanka, UK, Belgium, Netherlands, Italy, France, Spain, Switzerland, Russia, Argentina, Austria, Sweden, Ukraine and Hong Kong. More updates are available on our website www.pi-india.in. Having organized 11 editions over the past 3 decades with resounding success, the All India Plastic Manufacturers Association has once again set the ball rolling with Plastic Vision India 2023 and expects to break all previous records in terms of visitors, footfall and business generated over the duration of the 5-day event. With an exhibit area spanning over 125,000 square meters, Plastic Vision India 2023 displayed a wide range of plastic products, plastic materials, machines, modules and technologies that are revolutionizing the global plastic industry today. Apart from countries like Germany, Malaysia, South Korea and China, the event witnessed large Indian firms like Reliance, HPCL, IOCL and JSW Group. Before we go ahead, let's talk about QVI, a world-leading manufacturer of precision multi-sensor metrology system for industrial quality control.
50,000 passenger flights each day depend on reliable jet engine power, something millions of passengers take for granted. Behind that reliability is some of the world's most advanced manufacturing technology. Measurement systems from QVI are part of it. The precision QVI brings to aerospace component manufacturers helps make air transportation more routine. From ensuring that thousands of parts in a jet engine deliver power when it's needed, to making sure your seatbelt stays latched for takeoff. Plastic bottles help keep us going when we're on the run. And when we put the cap back on our water bottle, we know it won't spill. When it comes to thermomolded plastics, manufacturers rely on QVI precision for fast, accurate dimensional control of their molding process. For mold makers, that precision means fast, accurate thread and seal surface measurements. For the rest of us, precision means longer shelf life and fewer spills from bottled drinks. Safety, reliability, and fuel economy are factors we take for granted every time we drive, yet all depend on thousands of close-tolerance parts assembled perfectly. Automotive manufacturers rely on precision measurements at dozens of points in the making of every part, from cylinder heads to drive shafts to anti-lock brakes. More often than not, they turn to QVI for flexible measuring systems that perform day in and day out, right on the shop floor. Just a few years ago, prosthetic joints were largely a dream. Today, they're a common way to renew mobility and extend active lives. When it comes to surgical implants and drug delivery systems, precision is everything. QVI's advanced multi-sensor technologies allow medical device manufacturers to measure critical dimensions more reliably than ever before. From a syringe that delivers the correct dose to a knee implant with a perfect fit. Precision improves the quality of care and life for patients every day. Smartphones and tablets are essential tools for staying connected, in business and for life. Sleek and durable designs let us take our devices with us anywhere. Portable devices are incredibly complex to build. QVI measurement systems deliver the precision needed to fabricate circuits, etch hard disk heads, and fit touchscreen panels to the coolest phone cases. At the end of the day, QVI systems help make wireless mobile devices work on the go. Every great story has a beginning. Ours starts with people, the people who bring our precision to life, and the people whose lives are improved because of it. With more than 400 dedicated employees offering local support to manufacturers in more than 75 countries, QVI and our partners deliver precision across the entire spectrum of industry, from global manufacturers to local job shops. Precision for people is more than something we say. It's what we stand for.
Adani Green Energy Limited, India's largest and one of the world's leading renewable energy solutions partner, has attained the remarkable position of the second largest global solar PV developer in Macrocom Capital Group's latest annual global report. According to the report, AGEL's outstanding performance and contributions to the renewable energy landscapes have earned its prestigious second rank among the world's foremost solar PV developers. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where innovation and technology are constantly emerging, it is essential for industries and businesses to remain up-to-date and adapt to the evolving landscape. Our objective is to assist you in staying ahead of the curve by providing you with the latest developments and trends. Join our community to remain informed and keep pace with changes unfolding in your industry. That was it for this week's Industrial Updates. We will be back next week. For more updates, log on to www.pi-india.in. Thank you and have a nice day.